carburetorsandmore.com, 832-221-4007. Here we got your 750 double pumper. This one has 4-corner idle, manual choke, and 4-corner idle and a whole bit and stuff. So notice it's idling a little high, but we'll show you here. So here we go. So let me idle it down a little bit. And just down like that. Okay, let's try the dyno, see what it does. Well, this carburetor here should have run on whatever you wanted to put it on, but there is a couple little problems I noticed that only I would notice because this is what I do. So we'll go ahead and get it clean, powder coated, and ready to go for you, David. Thanks once again. It's carburetorsandmore.com, 832-221-4007.